Why did you decide to drop your English name, Paul?
Thank you. That English name was given to me in Mary by my parents because they were Christians. Now, when I was growing up, I noticed that some certain funny things that are, it's like I'm belittling myself. And when I began to research, I found that that name did not suit me in any way. Paul simple means little. Well, look at me. I'm 6.2 feet tall. Do I look little? When I was answering that name, I keep on being belittling myself and keep hovering around. But since I become conscious of my existence, I threw away that name where it belongs in protest. That I will never accept anything little. I'm not little, both in spirit and physical. And since that time, believe in me, I dusted my real name given to me by my parents when I was born. Real Chukunonyelum, believe in me, Chukunanonyelum till date. And I have seen the effect. I don't know what they are passing through. Some of you are answering them that doesn't mean anything. And they keep having a negative effect on you. Remember the story of Jabez. Some of you that we say name doesn't count. Jabez means pain. And when you throw out that name where he belongs, and say a better name, favor begin to locate him. Sometimes, name you are bearing has negative effect on what is happening to you right now. Thank you.